I'm Michael from Scotland. I came to Renova Clinic in January to get implants and other treatment, and found the week I was here was very, very, very good. Staff, clinic and all that's involved in extracting the teeth and preparing it for the next visit was exceptional, and could do no more. Between coming from the airport to leaving to go back to the airport, accommodation, and also came back again 6 months later and got the full treatment again, special treatment. We made use of it as a holiday and a good visit and stay, and got end results were perfect, and the staff are absolutely wonderful, from Mustafa to Aisha to Khalid and Sabar as well, and couldn't do no more. Delighted, and will recommend, and hopefully come back on a visit to even see the staff as well.
Thank you to the Renova Clinic. Thank you. Amazing. Hi, my name's Sylvia. I came over to Istanbul from the UK, and what an experience. 6 months ago I came here and got my dental implants inserted, and it was just an amazing job. Everybody made me feel so welcome, and the doctors and the dentists are extra special, and I'm just so happy with the end result 6 months later, and I'm just delighted of they had different doctors that for different sections, like to get my root. There was a root canal doctor, and there was my dentist, and she did just an amazing job. I'm so happy, and the staff are just excellent.